Hi, and welcome back to Hook Eat Up. Today I'm going to be doing my very first dessert video. For this dessert, I'm going to be making Turon. Turon comes from the Philippines. It's more or less a banana spring roll, deep fried. I'm going to show you how to make it, and we're going to get started now. To get started on this recipe, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need some ice cream. I'm going with butter pecan ice cream. You're going to need spring roll pastry wrappers, 1 ripe banana, a dish of brown sugar, 2 whole pecans, I'll be using this for garnishing, and a tablespoon of powdered sugar, also to be used for garnishing. So the first thing that we need to do is slice up these bananas. I'm going to be making about 4 turons. So I'm going to take the banana, cut it in half to about the length that I want the turons to be. I'm going to cut the banana again in half. Now since this is a sweet dish, it's going to also have like this caramelized flavor, I want to add a little sea salt to bring the flavor out just a bit. Now we're not putting too much salt, just a tad bit. Some people might be screaming at me as to why am I putting salt on this dish. Sorry guys, I really think it tastes better this way. To roll up these turons, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to separate out 1 sheet of pastry. And make sure it's on the diamond so that the point is facing me. I'm going to grab my nanner here, roll it into some sugar, and I'm going to place that banana a quarter of the way up. Now I have this dish of water here, which is going to help me seal up this spring roll. First I'm going to tuck it up, and I'm going to progressively roll until I'm at the halfway point of the pastry, okay? At that point, I'm going to fold the edges in, and I'm going to moisten the remainder of the envelope. And I'm going to roll it again, nice and tight. And that's it. Each banana is going to produce about 4 turons. And what I did was have 2 at a longer length and 2 at a shorter length to give myself a little variation for when it's time for me to plate this. But the very next step is to get these fried. So I've already warmed up my oil and I'm ready for deep frying. I'm just going to grab the turons and drop them in. As the turons are frying up, I'm going to prepare my draining dish. And just make sure these cook up evenly so that they're golden brown throughout. So remember that sugar that I put on the inside? It's going to caramelize and create a nice coating on the inside. Just going to get this going just a little bit longer, maybe about 30 seconds. Nice and submerged, you get crispy on all sides. Okay. I'm where I want to be. I'm going to remove these turons. Let them drain on this napkin here. As you can see, they're golden brown, ready for eating. Fire off. Now to plate this dish, I went with a rectangular high-walled bowl. I'll scoop out a nice scoop of ice cream. Nice big scoop of ice cream, and get that in there. Then I'm going to take the turon, rest it right against the ice cream, kind of like a X pattern here. Okay. I'm gonna get my sifter, and with the powdered sugar and with the pecans, I'm just gonna place it atop the ice cream here. As always, I like to pair my dishes with a complimentary cocktail or wine. And for this dish, since it's on the lighter side, I'm going with a sweeter white wine. For the wine, I'm going with Relaxed Riesling. You can catch this at any of your liquor stores. It's very common. It's not a super sweet wine like a Moscato or an ice wine. It's drinkable, but it has that sweet touch. And there you have it, your Filipino Turon. It's a super simple dessert that can be made in advance. Whenever you want to reheat them, you can just pop them into the microwave or the oven. They'll warm up and they'll taste delicious. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, Hook Eat Up, please be sure to subscribe and let me know what you think about this recipe in the comments below. For all you Filipinos out there who don't use salt in this dish, I want you to give it a try and let me know what you think. I'm gonna dig in now.